Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. I had gotten a lot of comments where you all couldn't get these instruments which come stock with Cakewalk. So this is a video where I do a brand new installation on a new PC for Cakewalk Sonar. I go through the whole process of how the installation has been done and you can follow step by step. So I hope it helps. Let's start. Open a browser of your choice and type in Cakewalk Sonar. Click on the first link that pops up. Now click download on the top right and it will ask you to save the setup file, which is an executable file. I'll say you save it in your downloads section and then you hit save. Go to the folder where it has been saved. Double click on the setup file. Wait for it to open. Then you click next on the pop-up. This is where it shows you where your files are going to go. Just keep hitting next. Create a desktop icon, yes, install. Once the installation is done, click finish. Make sure launch Cakewalk Product Center is checked. Once you do that, you might get redirected to your browser and you have to sign in with your BandLab account. You can also use your Google account to continue, or you can sign up with a new account. Once you're signed in, you'll get this pop-up that you have successfully signed into the Product Center. After that, open up your Product Center, and initially your Product Center will look something like this with all the file sizes for the downloads. Mine looks a bit different because I have some of the files downloaded. For you, you'll have to download the files first and then you'll have to click on install. So first we'll install Sonar. You click on download and make sure you have a good internet connection because these are some big files that you're going to be downloading. Once the download is done, wait for a while because the installation is taking place. You will see a pop-up now. You'll see a pop-up. You continue with OK. Then you continue with these instructions. Accept the agreement and then click on next. You can do it either with basic or advanced. In advanced, you can just select the folders where your files need to go. So I'll just show you basic first. This is where your files are going to go. And I'm going to continue with advanced. Click on next. Continue with these instructions. Create a desktop icon. Next, click install. This will take some time to install. Once the installation is complete, uncheck launch application and view current release notes because we still have some installation that needs to be done. Click on finish once you uncheck them. Now in the product center, we are going to install the studio instruments. This is where most of you all had got stuck. When you launched Cakewalk, directly you all didn't get those instruments. So we'll install these instruments now. Your product center is going to look something like this with that 607 MB download file. So you need to download that first. Then you'll see the install button and you'll have to install those files. These will be similar instructions, so you just click OK and continue with the installation. Click finish. Now once you install that, go to the drum replacer and install that as well. You might need to download it first. It has a size of about 247 MB. Similar instructions, continue with those. Click OK and install. Once that's done, click finish. The other files that you'll see in the product center are the membership files. You won't be able to download them, so just leave them there. Close the product center. Let's close the browser as well. Now launch Cakewalk Sonar. You'll see the quick start screen. These are all the plugins that you have. The BandLab plugins are getting scanned. So just leave the VHD scan on the right. On the top left here, you go to the create section and then you hit on empty project. Once your project opens, on the right here you will see your help module. You can keep it open during the start because it shows you different shortcuts for different keys. You can close the panes on the right and the left. You can minimize it and maximize it. If you click on it again, it will maximize it again. Now let's add a track. Click on the plus symbol, go to instrument, and on the drop down I'll select the SI electric piano. Go to piano, SI electric piano. Also make sure in your plugin layouts that you uncheck the show BandLab plugins because it shows you a whole lot of plugins that you might not need. Okay, now let's load the SI electric piano. I hit create and it opens up the plugin. Let's add another track now. I'll insert an instrument by right clicking on the track pane, or you can click on the plus symbol here and then go down and find strings. I also noticed that there are a few new instruments that have been added. I couldn't see these on the Cakewalk that I had. This particular installation is a brand new installation. I'll have to see whether it is available for the brand new version or will I get an update for the Cakewalk that I already have. This is another stock plugin that you get with Cakewalk. Just a few more things. Press P on your keyboard, you'll go to the preferences. Under audio, select playback and recording. Go to the driver mode and it will be selected on Wasabi shared. If you are having an audio interface, use ASIO. If you're having problems with Wasabi shared, then use MME. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have any comments, please ask in the comment section. I will try my best to answer them. Now you can move to this video on the top right of your screen to get started with Cakewalk. Thank you for watching.